I'm Shanae. I create classy and sophisticated makeup looks. Welcome to my channel. This is the makeup that we're going to be creating today, and if you enjoyed this video, please press the thumbs up button. Queen, butter pecan, carnival, color Cinderella, Belair, watch me work. Winter, Friday, it's a black shade, diamond rings, with this look I'm going to be using Glam by Shanae lashes in Flossy. Alright, so I'm going to wait for my lash glue here dry before I'm at it. I'm going to go ahead and do my face, and then I'm going to come back.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
Make sure the look is focused on the eyes. You don't want to do too much with the lips. Line my lips, and that's pretty much it. That's really all I do with all my lips, especially when I'm in a rush. This is it. This is it. When I tell you this is it, this is it. I don't do a lot. As long as my eyes is banging and then my foundation is blended, I am good. So yeah, this is the complete look. But if it was up to me, I would use like a sparkle lip color, like something that got glitter inside of it that makes it like shine when you walk. That's just me. Like a little bit of lip glitz. My eyes is watering. Alright, so before I go, I'm gonna put some of these drops. Oh shoot! Don't you cry! Don't you cry! So I'm gonna do one more drop for the other eye. Good. Alright, so guys, this is the end of this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. And yeah, if you want to see more looks, press the thumbs up button so it can tell me that you really like the looks and I can keep on going. And if you want to talk to me, please leave your comments. Please leave your comments down below in the comment section. If you want to see more videos and more uploads from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos.